Ever pondered how YouTube SEO can potentially skyrocket views and watch time for your videos? Well, it's not rocket science, but it does require a strategic approach. Firstly, let's delve into the concept of improved visibility. When you optimize your videos with pertinent keywords, titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails, you increase the likelihood of your content popping up in YouTube search results and suggested videos. This in turn can draw more viewers to your content. Next up, we have higher rankings. By employing the right SEO tactics, your videos can climb up the ranks in YouTube search results. It's been proven that videos gracing the first page of results garner more views and engagement than those lost in the shuffle of subsequent pages. Now, let's talk about targeting your audience. By zoning in on specific keywords and tailoring your content accordingly, you reel in viewers who are actively scouring YouTube for content related to your niche. These viewers are more likely to stick around and watch your videos, leading to a spike in watch time. Then we have the all-important click-through rate, or CTR. By crafting captivating titles, thumbnails, and descriptions, you can coax viewers into clicking on your videos when they crop up in search results or suggested videos. A higher CTR equates to more people tuning into your videos, which naturally leads to increased views and watch time. Long-term traffic is another significant factor. Well-optimized videos can continue to rake in views and engagement over time, even months or years after they've been published. This enduring traffic contributes to higher watch time, a critical metric for YouTube's algorithm. Let's not forget about engagement signals. YouTube's algorithm takes into account user engagement signals such as likes, comments, shares, and subscription rates when ranking videos. Videos that are optimized and generate more engagement stand a better chance of being recommended to other viewers, further amplifying views and watch time. Finally, we have retention optimization. By delving into your audience's preferences and behavior through analytics, you can fine-tune your content to bolster audience retention. Higher retention rates lead to longer watch times, which in turn boost your video's ranking and visibility. So, in a nutshell, effective YouTube SEO can serve as a powerful tool to not only hike up views, but also amplify watch time, both of which are crucial for the success of your channel. By consistently applying SEO best practices and churning out high-quality, engaging content, you can attract more viewers, keep them hooked for longer periods, and ultimately expand your channel.